PinWizz. Hi there, I'm Victor. If you enjoy this video, please click on the like button. To say hi or ask questions of me, please do so in the comments section below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. This is my easy 3-step honest review of PinWizz from the vendor Rudy Rudra. In this review, we'll take a look at the sales page. I'll take you in and show you the software in a short demo, and I'll conclude with my recommendation and why. PinWizz says that it is a Pinterest automation traffic software that helps you to generate traffic on your blog, website, or links if you have CPA offers and affiliate products. It also says that it helps you to automate your Pinterest account and includes training to learn how to make money online with Pinterest. It says that it's for anyone who wants to make money online using Pinterest. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the sales page. Now at the beginning I can just tell you right up front that the sales page is a typical sales page, right? So up here it talks about, brand new technology helps marketers drive automated laser targeted traffic. Well, you can find automation software online for Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook and all kinds of stuff, right? So maybe not brand new or the first ever, that kind of a thing, but it doesn't have monthly fees, which is a positive thing because a lot of stuff out there definitely has monthly fees. So just, weigh and test, improve everything kind of a thing. So ultimately this sales page is just a typical sales page. I'm just going to scroll through here and kind of run through it, and if anything really jumps out at me, I'll tell you. Some of these people that they have for testimonials and stuff, I really just don't trust, to be honest with you. I have had some bad experiences with some of the people from the testimonials. Based on what I see in the demo and through the training, I think that this actually has some potential. So what I'm saying is I'm ignoring any of their testimonials or the people that they have for their testimonials, just because some of them, not all of them, but some of them I recognize and I don't like what I see because I don't trust them. But right here, step one, simple 3 steps. Like I said, this is typical sales page stuff right now. And I'll explain why when I take you inside. And it's like one part of me wants to say, oh, I don't know. And the other part of me wants to say, this could be a useful tool. I'm kind of finding myself in a weird little dilemma here. But I want to do this video and this review, hopefully to save you some time, give you a reality check of what I see, and maybe save you some time and money in considering if it's something that might work for you. Now, they do say that they have a money-back guarantee. If you decide to get this as soon as possible, go ahead and try and use it. Go through the training. Go ahead and try and use it and see if it's what you want or not. But even before you do that, listen to the rest of my review here, even when I go through the demo for you, so that you can consider if it's something you want to do in the first place. Everything that we're scrolling through right now on the sales page, it talks about you can search through boards and follow and unfollow boards and pins and stuff like that real easy. It looks like the software is doing all of these things pretty easily, which is pretty cool. And that's why I'm saying I think there is something here if you're willing to do the work. These are some of the things it talks about, that they have training in here and a quick start guide. I haven't seen the quick start guide. But the step-by-step training I have seen, and it's pretty step-by-step and simple. And then right here it says 30-day money-back guarantee. And let's just jump right into the software. So here we are in the software on the dashboard of PinWizz. And it is pretty straightforward. So there's the dashboard. It shows you how many Pinterest accounts you have tied into it, so you can see what's going on. Board follow count, total pin post, total comments. It has a photo editor to make it easy to go ahead and edit photos and stuff. And if you go in here, it's pretty straightforward actually. I mean, some interesting tools, I think. I kind of like the effects thing that they have going on here. You can just sit here and use some of the presets to just quickly throw some stuff in here. You know, the whole idea behind Pinterest is having something that is going to get someone's attention to the point that they read something that you write or comment, and ultimately this is about traffic. So people use Pinterest all the time. I know people that go on Pinterest every single day and they just kind of thumb through stuff, and whatever interests them, they just click on it and look, and that's how it works. And so they give you step-by-step training. The idea here is you got to have an image that's going to get someone's attention. You can put words and different things on there, and when they click on it, hopefully they follow you and get interested in following what you're doing. And that leads to traffic. How does it lead to traffic? Well, you have to have your own affiliate stuff set up. So, you know, do you have an affiliate account with ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus? And if you don't, you can easily get those, or maybe some CPA type of a thing. You set up your accounts, you go to those different places, and you can find different links or get affiliate links to products and different things so that you can market them. And then with this right here, you basically go ahead and take your affiliate link and you bring it down to the URL shortener, if nothing else. I mean, you don't have to do this somewhere else. They have it right here. You put in your link right here and you click create short URL, and you have a shortened tiny URL that you can use for your comments when you're going to do comments, and also for your pins and everything, to drive traffic to wherever you want them to go. So if you want them to go to your website, then use your website link. If you want them to go to an affiliate link, then use your affiliate link and put it through the shortener. And so I'm just going to click on these, right? So here you can set up your Pinterest accounts. They have some notes here about it and what to expect and how to get some help if you need help. Right here, Pinterest boards. When you have your accounts associated with it, then you'll have your boards will show up here. And then here you can search through Pinterest through boards, just out of curiosity. Everything works pretty straightforward, and so you can search. And I did money online, and right here it says a pin count, and it also shows me the follower count. I mean, you know, just a list of a bunch of different money online ones. I kind of wish that they made it so that you could click on it and just sort it, but they don't, but that's okay. They have training down here, software video training and exclusive Pinterest training to help you understand what process they're recommending you do if you want to make money online using their software. So this is a tool. They'll walk you through creating a Pinterest account if you don't have one, how to set it up and everything, what to look for, and also how to use all of this. For example, they'll recommend going and following, for example, 50 boards a day, or doing 100 follows a day for pins or different things, and also how to make comments and do X amount of comments a day. And in the comments include your affiliate links and stuff, see? And in your pins include your affiliate links and stuff, see? And so in order to follow something, so you search, so it's very specific, it's not sporadic. You search on your keywords, you go ahead and follow, and then you come back, and if I say follow, it's going to say automatically followed. So I can say follow, and it says, okay, I followed. And then I can come back, and if I notice people are not following me back, I can unfollow. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. and then search pins. I mean, you can do this in Pinterest, but in Pinterest, you're not going to be able to do it. In Pinterest, you're not going to be able to do everything so simply. Let me put it that way. And with this, you have all of this right here. And so when you search pins, I did money online, it shows me what you see in front of you here, including a repin count and a created at. Which is pretty cool. And so if I see something, or if I want to go ahead and make comments on pins, right, I can do a right mouse click, for example, and say add new tab if I don't want to leave this page or lose this page. And then I go to it, I can put my comment here, and they suggest, I think it's 500 characters or less, and they even give you an idea of what to do, that basically you should do a call to action and some curiosity included in your comment altogether, along with your tiny URL, right? So for example, hey, want to make $100 a day? Check out this link, and put the link in. And it says add to scheduler. Now I haven't seen the scheduler yet, so that is the only question mark I have here. Everything else seems to do exactly what it says it does. If I wanted to, I could actually add a comment and then click here to view the pin and go right to the pin. I mean, that's pretty nice to make that straightforward and simple. And if I had made a comment, I would be able to start clicking here and going through and find the comment that I just did. So as far as usefulness and everything, actually I think it's pretty useful. I think there's potential here. So what is the big question mark here then, right? And what I'm going to say is this: if you're willing to commit 1 to 3 hours a day, then there could be something here. If you don't really have 1 to 3 hours a day to commit to this, or you don't have something that you're passionate about enough that you're going to be able to do this for at least the long run, for a duration, for, you know, probably a few weeks at least, to just make sure and see if it's for you. Well, you have 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to try it, I guess you could do it that way. But if you know up front that you really just don't have the time, then this is not for you. If you have the time, there might be some potential here. And so I just wanted to do this review and give you all of that information and show you an actual demo there so you could see it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give PinWizz a 7, I think. I mean, just like anything else, it's going to take work. But if you're willing and you take action, then maybe this could be something for you. I have some other links in my description of some other possibilities for making money online. If this is not for you, maybe something else down there might be interesting to you. So check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi or ask any questions you have of me in the comments section below, and subscribe to my channel.